Did you know that by the year 2030, the global market for neuromorphic computing is projected to reach $10 billion? But what exactly is it? And why is it revolutionizing the world of computer engineering? Let's dive in. This is a human brain, and this is a computer chip side by side. If we combine together, neuromorphic computing. This is an example of an actual neuromorphic computing. It is a groundbreaking technology inspired by the human brain. Unlike traditional computers that uses binary code, neuromorphic systems mimic the brain's neural networks, processing information in parallel and adapting in real time. This means faster, more efficient, and energy-saving computations. So why does this matter? Imagine self-driving cars making split-second decisions, or smartphones that learn your habits without draining the battery. Neuromorphic computing is already making waves in AI, robotics, and healthcare, enabling smarter and more intuitive systems. But it's not without these challenges. Designing these systems is complex, and we're still unlocking their full potential. Yet, the future is bright. Think of a brain interfaces or AI that thinks like us. Neuromorphic computing is just getting started. Soon, it could help doctors detect diseases faster, make AI assistants more human-like, and even improve cybersecurity. The possibilities are endless. Neuromorphic computing isn't just a step forward, but it is a leap into a smarter, more connected world. So what could you achieve with a computer that thinks like a brain? Let's imagine the possibilities together. How about you? What's your take on neuromorphic computing?